All right, guys, we're back for another site visit, maybe a little bit echoey, but nevertheless, today we're going to talk about wall niches. So if you want to watch it, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so today what we're going to talk about is wall niches. Now, I want to talk to you about position of the wall niches and depth of the wall niches, and the sort of different sort of usage that the different wall niches, where the position are and how they're going to be used. They're going to obviously, be different sort of stuff. So what I'll do, I'll flip the camera and then we'll start off with the first one. All right, guys, so the first one I want to talk about is, this is the front door, obviously not the official front door because it's just boarded up for now. So we walk in the front door and this is the first wall niche I want to talk about. It is a little bit dark. How good's that? Turn the lights on. All right, so this is the entry wall you look at as soon as you walk in through the front foyer. Now you can see, maybe you can see, that this one here is about 90 mil thick. You can see the thickness there. Now this one's going to be used obviously as a feature. So let's come back so we can have a bit of a look at it. So we're only going to put some paintings in there. So this is used more for the feature of the front foyer. You can see the thickness of that one. Now as we move through the rooms, we've got a bit more light here, natural light, awesome. The next one I want to show you, we're in the home theatre, and you can see this niche is obviously going to have a TV inside that. And you can see, now I want to show you the depth, the thickness of the difference of the two. Now you can see this one here is probably almost double the size of the one we just looked at. So you can really get to see how that will affect the look of this one here. Now, there is one more in this house, and it is a little bit thicker again. So we have a 90 mil, we have a 180, and then we have a 270, this one here. So obviously the 90 mil frame, so we have a triple one here. So you can see the thickness that this one here is created. You've got obviously an awesome, ledge there. So as we take a bit of step back, you get to see the awesome effect that will create for the room overlooking the alfresco. All right, guys, so before I wrap it up, I would love for you guys to head over to Instagram right here and hit the follow button. Go to Instagram where we do daily Snapchats, daily talks. Go over there. I'd love for you to follow me on Instagram. And once you do hit follow, go drop a comment and let me know that you have followed. All right, guys, so that's a bit of a wrap up on wall niches and how the different thicknesses and different positions can obviously mean different things. So we had the one in the front foyer, which is obviously going to be used for features and the look, and you can put paintings in there. Then we had the one in the theatre room and the one out in the lounge room for the TVs. And you see the three different thicknesses and how they can affect the different effects and looks that it gives. So guys, if you know anyone who'd be interested in learning more about wall niches, definitely tag them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next week for another site visit. Thanks for watching.